Hello guys, my name is Ezra and I'm today going to teach you graphics, all about graphics. If you want to follow me in ezigraphicske. You get these great things in these great designs and tutorials for you to create great graphics in snap of a finger. So today I'm going to teach you how to create great graphics using your mobile phone, and it's so simple. We have great apps which can help you in doing these great amazing things. So today, as you see in my desktop, I have some apps here you can use, and we have Postermywall, we have Canva, we have Vista Create. I use Snapseed to edit my photos. I don't know you, but let's see. So let's start with Postermywall. Simple as that. Postermywall is so simple, very good creative app. It has millions of templates which you can use to design your graphics. So if you have an account and if you inspired to be a designer, or maybe for fun, you can create an email, put in your account so that you can save your designs for future. So like when one guy tells you, do you have some samples, you can show them. You see, that's great. So let's just move on and create a design. So when you create a design, it gives you this homepage where you have many templates you can choose. So you can choose from many templates here you want to have. So if you don't want to start it from scratch, you can use templates. If you want to start from scratch, I'll put a link to a new video that will show you how to design great graphics from scratch, no using templates. But today, let's use some templates and we're going to design. So, let's say we're going to design personal branding. So you're going to choose personal branding templates. See, there are like 8,690 plus free branding templates. Like, there are many. So let's choose which design can be good. Let's see. Hey, I see. There are great designs here. Oh wow. Okay, great designs. Maybe you can tell me in the comment section which design can be great. Okay. And if you have a passion in designing, just follow up with some tutorials and lessons that will be taken off for you to design great graphics and learn and take up your skills to greater levels, to pro. Wow. Let's say this one. We are trying to create this design using some great templates in Postermywall. So here is a poster. Okay, this is a template. You just edit the design. It's a template for podcast. Maybe you have a podcast like I do right now. Just use this. Let's see how it will take it so far. So if you have some photos or maybe some background images you want to put, you can just edit this design and put everything you want to put in this. So here you can just start editing. Yeah, you can start editing using your photo. You just you replace the photo. So it will load and it will bring up your gallery. So like, go to your media. So media, and like, it will take, this will have so many media. So here, like, it will bring to you many photos. So if you want your own photos, just come to my uploads, and then because you don't have an account yet, you will need to upload or login so you can get your Google Photos in. But if you don't mind, just upload the media. So you just come, it comes to your gallery. Let's browse. Let's see, to go to my photos. Restored. Let's see. Let me check this one. One of my photos. Great. It will upload. After uploading, it will be there on your poster. So it will tell you to crop. So maybe you can crop. I think mine is fine, but I can crop a little bit, like remove it this way, reduce the size up there, and then like there. It's great. So I've cropped and it's loaded in my, oh wow. So like you just reduce it, some like that, and then like, oh wow. So if you have a video photo, which is great, you can just put your photo there. But you can design a photo in any way you want. So like you just put there, and then like, okay, there's some effects here. You can just put some effects in your photo if you need. Okay, you can just put many things. So going to change our name. Let's say ezigraphicske. So the words are too big, so you're going to edit some of them, and then like you're just going like there, and then like bring this one here, and then like you're going to bring them here. Oh, this one is for here. Oh yeah, exactly. See. Oh, when you're lost, just put them there. If it's like making you some, just go and delete it, and check this, bring it back here, and then you come and edit this like that. It's okay. And then you set up the time you need to put your, so let me say, let's go to edit this. Maybe I put www.ezigraphicske.com. That's my website. And then let's change the date. It's somehow like, let's do it on Saturday is just, it's good. Maybe you just put any random, say just 20th May 2024 exactly, and then like you say at maybe 10 a.m. So and then after putting there, so you're like, okay, you change here. Maybe your topic is different, just change your topic, and then just come and edit. Maybe you're dealing with potentials. Let's see, potentials in graphic designing. Let's see that. Maybe that's the topic. Okay, it will be live. Listen to a podcast. So that is your podcast. Maybe you can change the logo of your podcast, and like, wow, you can just change it. Maybe you can maybe add some texts. maybe you can add some text, like you just come here, add some text. You can choose your own, just simple or fancy text, but just do it what you want. You come here and then like come and edit and say maybe your podcast is like, you have great podcast for showing great artists and designs, so maybe you can just put it as creative Createline podcast. You can just say like that. Then maybe the size, not the size actually, more. Maybe the fill you can just put the color different, white, nice. Okay, style, you can just put the style, we want bold, and maybe you want italic. Exactly, italic so suit. Maybe you want to change the font. Maybe the font is not good, you can just search your font. Let's try this. Yeah. It's taking a lot of time. Oh, it's not good. Let's see, any other font which is good. You can even choose your own font, because maybe this font is not your liking, but you can choose other fonts. There are many fonts, you just choose. Let's say Beyond the Mountains, how can it be? Beyond the Mountains is not good really. Does it have some space? Let me see caveat or caveat brush. Caveat brush, savage. Not really. You just looking for one font that is like fingerprint. Not really. No, free pen. Not really. Get you. Not really. You can just come and search great fonts right here. Maybe another one. I think that's great. Yeah. So we're going to just reduce the size. Yeah. Then okay. So Createline podcast is posting this, and you just post it there. Oh yeah, we changed the website because this is not our website. You are inviting the special guest. It's ezigraphicske. So you come here, say www.createline Createline podcast. Maybe no, not podcasts. Createline company. Let's say company.com. Oh, sorry. Company.com. And simple as that. So that's how you have created simple design using the template in Postermywall. So you just come here, download the picture. Let's see. Let's wait for it to download design. So you download design, you can just download design in any quality you want, and then the size. You can also publish it on your Postermywall after you've made your account in your Poster. But today you're just going to download. So you're going to download the image. So if you want to download, you need to make a free account. So like me, I had already made an account, so it continues Ezra, and then like there, and then like I choose my account, and I log in. So it's easy for me to download many designs. So my design is created and then it's downloaded and saved in my Google account. So if you want to upgrade to a premium, you can upgrade, just buy some few things. So your image is saved. So for me, I can save my image, can save my image again. So we can just go back. We are done. So it's going to load to the template that you used. So you're just going to go back. Yeah, you've done with this, so you're going to go back. So come back to your gallery, and then you see to maybe you can see where your photos are downloaded. Oh wow, I think they're not here. Downloaded. I think it's not loaded yet. Let's go back. But I think it's saved. Yeah, it is saved already. Yeah, it is here. Oh, so you just come and download it. It is not downloaded. Just come and download it. And then thank you. You can follow them on YouTube if you are interested. So you go back to your photos and let's see, downloads. Where are downloads? Here. Not yet saved. Where is it? I'm not seeing it. Okay. Let's go back and see. So it depends how you save it, and it depends how it's downloaded. Like, I don't know. So like, you come and download design. So let's wait and see. It's going to download. Yeah, it's downloaded. File downloaded. So like you can go back. And now these are some of my designs I created. Yeah, you can just create some designs like that if you have an account. So you just come here. Come back to my downloads. Here is it. Exactly. So here is our graphic. We have just designed it from Postermywall. Actually, they don't give a watermark. So they had a watermark made with Postermywall, but if you have an account, you can remove the watermark, and if you have premium. So this is our design. You can now just go and post it, and like people say, wow, it's so great, you know? That's it. So that's simple. That's today I'm going to just teach you about Postermywall, and next in our video I'll just teach you about Canva and Vista Create. Simple apps to use. Those are just simple techniques. And subscribe, share, and let's learn together. Bye bye. My name is Ezra Mucho, and again I bring you Ezigraphicks.